Hey y'all, Jan here, back with another video showing you how to recreate some of our charts without using any code. This time we're going to use Flourish, and if you watched the previous video, we used it there too, but this time we're going to make a story out of it so that the charts animate. This is the original chart that I made using Svelte and Layer Cake. This looks at kind of the number of slash ships, so male-male ships in fan fiction, and then it animates to the number of straight or female-male relationships, and then it animates again to the number of fem/slash or female-female relationships. So in order to get this going in Flourish, we're going to need the data, and this is in our public repo. I've already downloaded it, so I'll definitely be sure to drop the link in the video description so you guys can work with it too. First thing we want to do is get into Flourish, create a new visualization, and the type of visualization we are looking for this one, I might have just passed it. It's probably up at the top. Show more. There it is. We want kind of this proportional stacked column chart. You can see that it preloads in the data. Again, the preview screen will kind of be on the left and the data screen will be on the right. We want to go in here and we want to upload our data, and it's here. Say import. It's going to say rows were uploaded. For this one, you can see that the full data set has a year. This is fem/slash, so female-female relationships, non-canon, semi-canon, and then yes canon. And since we're going to just make this chart just on slash, which is male-male, we're going to come in and we're going to kind of delete some of these columns. So I'm just going to select them, right-click, and say remove column. So that I just have the MM no, MM semi, and MM yes, and then we're going to remove these as well. Right, and then I'm just going to rename these so that it's a little bit more clear for us. This is non-canon. This will also help us when we start labeling the legend of this. That's canon. And then we know that the labels, or the time, is going to be this column, the year, and then the values are everything in B, C, and D, so the canon, semi-canon, and non-canon values. And so let's take a look at this. And it's already looking pretty good here. We just need to go in and kind of make some edits so that we're kind of matching the colors to the original. So luckily I've kind of already done that in this tab, so I'm just going to actually go and grab the colors here. You can see the palette that I've got here is one that I created. Edit color palette. I'm just going to grab these colors and copy them, paste them into this new visualization. So again, it's preview, colors, and I'm going to say edit color palette. I'm going to take everything out of here except for 3 colors. Let's see if I can copy and paste that. There's our blue. I'm going to go grab green. Drop that in there. And then I'm going to grab the red. Do the same thing. And now it is looking really good. It's really close to kind of that original one here. Let me scroll back up so that we're looking at the correct data. Here's the slash chart. Here's our chart. And so I'm happy with this. I think I want to put maybe a title on it. Let me find where I can put the title. Let's see. Chart type. I think it's in layout, actually. Header. Title, and we're going to call this slash RMM. And there we go. I'm going to say align it to the middle there, and I think we're good. So the next thing you want to do is just say export and publish, and you're going to say publish to share and embed, and just say publish. And then you're going to kind of repeat this process so that you make those charts for individual charts for slash, fem slash, and the straight relationships, just like we have 3 charts here. So here's one, that's the second one, and third chart. So make 3 of those charts. And then back in kind of Flourish, what you can do is kind of your project page, you can say new story. And what you want to do here is add kind of your visualizations as if you were adding like a PowerPoint slideshow or Google Slides. So in this, I'm going to choose my visualization, and I know that this one is slash canon, so it's going to come up. And then the next slide, I'm going to say, move my face so I can see here. Next slide, choose visualization, and I know that the next one is going to be straight canon, and then a new slide. The last one is going to be that third chart, which is fem slash canon. And then you kind of get this stepper that's built here, and you can kind of step through. You can see those animate a little bit there. The screen's a little bit small for you to see it fully. So you can do this in 2 ways. One, I just copied and pasted exactly what is in kind of this overlay tab and put it right in there for the first slide, and then the same goes for like the next few slides. So now we've got all of that there. If you're paying for Flourish, if you're a paid user, you can make this into scrollytelling so that it animates as you scroll instead of just kind of this stepper that means that the user has to click. But once we kind of get this done again, you can say publish to share and embed. And I've already got that done over here. Go to the live link, and this is what it looks like. Let me zoom out so y'all can see a little bit. This is what it looks like. And then you can take this and kind of embed it in your own website, and you can have your charts be animated. So it's not quite the scrollytelling that we saw in the live piece here, but it's really, really close, and gets you that kind of animating fun that brings a lot of kind of like whimsy and delight to your stories. So Flourish is a great tool. Definitely check them out. We use it for a lot of rapid prototyping and just to get quick charts going to kind of inform a lot of our design decisions.